Hey everybody, so this is just a quick tour of my workspace and kind of my organization for my art stuff and my Etsy stuff. This is my desk where I work on my art and sometimes I'll put my laptop and work here too, but pretty much my main desk. The desk itself was like secondhand trash desk, so it was actually like pretty nice to begin with, and now it's pretty much trash, but you know, you gotta work with what you got, so that's where the desk came from. I always put a large sheet of like heavy paper down on the desk so I can do swatches on it. I can allow myself to be really messy without getting it on the wood, and I mean, obviously that goes off to the side, but you know, we do what we can. I'll just kind of take you through how this is actually organized because it may look a little messy, but it is organized in the way that makes sense for me. So starting over here, I have my Korean workbooks and notebooks and things like that. I've been working on that a lot these days and really enjoying it. I usually have whatever I'm drinking. Box of paints because I was recently painting, so I've just left it here. I don't put anything away that I'm still going to be using because why would I put it away if I'm just going to use it the next day? It makes sense to me. This is my really crappy organization for my makeup. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that. Some more paints back there. This box usually stays back there. Really dirty mirror. And then I keep all of my paintbrushes in here and my palette knives, stuff like that. These are miscellaneous tools and then black and white colored pencils. Here, get over there. Here is cool colored markers and then warm colored markers. Warm colored pencils and cool colored pencils. So those are my organizations for that. These are all my colored pencils that are too small to fit in those cups, which is a lot of them. Another box of like kind of random stuff. So a couple of tapes, this like stamp, an earring, pencil lead, things like that. This is a little tray, my Troye Sivan. And this just has some random stuff in it. My glasses, pencil sharpener, Exacto knife, things that I use a lot that like I don't want to lose. This I was just using, so I haven't put it away yet. Coaster, my drink usually goes on there. This is a bunch of spilled glitter medium that, you know, that's never coming off. And then up here is just like a random selection of crystals and little doodads and things like that. I have one of my planner from last year and then my little tiny sketchbook challenge books. This is like more markers, pens, my ink pen, scissors, etc., stuff like that. And then on top of this, so this green thing was actually pulled out of the garbage as well. I love garbage items, so I can just kind of show you that a little bit more. It's like a, I don't really know what it was supposed to be, but I really love it. It's the original color. So on top here, we have some cat footprints, and this opens up. I have my artistic license in there, and then random stuff, like obviously. On top here, I just have another crystal, some washi tapes that I was using recently, and these can kind of go wherever. Sometimes they're in one of these little guys, sometimes they're by my Etsy stuff, but I was just using them for Christmas stuff, so. And there's another little lift-up box, and in here, more random stuff. These are not organized super well, but the main thing that I go for in here is Exacto knife blades. So those I keep in here, blades for another like scraper thing, more colored pencil, mechanical pencil lead, and then I keep my gouache in here too, just my white gouache, so I always know where it is because I'm always losing it and I use that like all the time. But if I keep it with my other gouache, I can never find it. So, yep. I've got a beautiful fake plant from IKEA. I used to have a nice aloe here and here, but my cat Gouda really likes to chew on aloe, so that had to be moved, and I can't keep plants here anymore. This is a patch by ALB in Wonderland. I bought it for myself and I just want to look at it like all the time because it's so cute, so I just keep it on my desk. And then I have some heart-shaped push pins, which sometimes I hang stuff with. Another cup with more colored pencils that are too short. I have like a colored pencil hoarding type of situation going on. And then I have another sketchbook hanging out back there. So that's this little situation. And then these are doors that open up. So I have random stuff in there, like some paint, batteries, video camera that it does still work, yeah. I use it sometimes. More stuff, some paint that like shouldn't be in the light. And then sometimes I keep my smaller like acrylic bottles of paint in there as well, just so it's light safe. Oh, and another fun fact, all of these containers are boxes from candles because I really like candles. So yeah, these ones are from IKEA candles, and then those I've just had forever. I think they were from Target probably. So then over here I have kind of this like plastic butcher tray that's full of more stuff that I just need to keep on hand at all times. So I have my watercolor palette. There's like some candy and like random stuff all over here. Headphones. I have a pad of watercolor paper, and then there's just like a bunch of random papers under here. I have this like this NCT folder that has a bunch of other random like scrap artwork inside of it that I might need to like scan or do something else with. I don't know. It's not super organized. And then I have my current sketchbook. So that lives over here. Then this is my bag of stickers. So I have a lot of stickers that I'm like afraid to use. I think we all have struggled with that at some point in our lives and are maybe still struggling. If you're still struggling, you know, reach out to me in the comments. Let's bring each other up for hoarding stickers. It's okay. And then this is just a bag of other random stuff. So like keychains, gifts from friends. I keep all of like my letters and cards from friends in here. I love to hoard things, as you've probably seen already in this video. I'm very sentimental, so like I like to keep things. This is my current planner. So I bought the Wavy Seasons Greetings after I bought another planner. So I bought another one similar to this, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna use the planner. Like, it's like too nice and too pretty. Like, I don't want to use it. And then my other planner hadn't come in the mail yet, so I just started using this one. And yep, this is just gonna be my planner for this year. So yeah, like I said, just random papers, cards. This is my last sketchbook, and then NCT folder with a bunch of random art in it. Okay, this is a very important stack of tape and a candle. I don't have a proper tripod that I can use with my phone, and my phone is what I use to record all my videos with, so I usually end up sticking my phone through one of these rolls of tape and then balance it on the other. Oh my god, this is so trashy. Yeah, if anyone would like to gift me a phone tripod, my address is. And then over here I have some string because I was using it to pack up Christmas presents. This part of a fake plant that I was probably doing something with. This photo of Jim when he used to have teeth. These are all watercolor colored pencils, so like I'll use these. I pretty much only use them for sketching out paintings because then I can just paint over it and it'll dissolve. And then there's a box of Christmas lights and a stapler. Oh, and then this is just an old towel that I use for wiping all of my paint on. So if I'm doing a watercolor or acrylic painting, I'll just use this instead of dirtying up 1,000 paper towels. Cool, so that is my desk area, and then pretty much I have all of my stuff for my Cricut right here in this box and another box under there. This whole section is not organized right now, clearly, so I'm not going to get too into it, but this is Easel. This is my easel, and it has like a drawer. It's really high quality. I spent way too much money on it, and then I hardly ever use it, but you know, whatever. A couple random like things that I want to hang up go here. Things that I'm trying not to lose go here. So I also keep my Cricut mat right here. It's in real bad shape. I really need a new one, but Again, thrifty. And then I have some of these pansy posters that I use to cut up and make envelopes for my shop. Hi, Maple Guy. Hi. Hello. All right, so moving on, this is my Etsy workspace. It's not much, but my partner took over my Etsy desk this year to do work from home this year. Oh my God, last year. Whoo! Okay, you know how it goes. My partner took over my Etsy desk, so I'm using this as my Etsy kind of workstation. So it's not my like dream setup or anything, but it has to work for now. I have these little container holder things. I used to have them on the wall until they kept falling down. So these hold all of my stickers, so I can just like reach in there, grab a sticker, ship it out, good to go. Also stickers, business cards go in here. I keep my little scale over here. And then on top of this thing, I have these stamps because they're in a roll, some random pens, random garbage that collects. I keep all my little goodies for my K-pop shop up here, and then this is all random K-pop decals that are unsorted or stuff that I use for photos that are all good to go. In here, I have my like transparent sticker sheets, and then like those Love Core prints, Goth GF postcards, pretty much just random stuff in that one. I don't have enough of these to keep one of each thing in there, so in here I have my cow postcards. I love these guys. This is like one of my favorite things I made last year, I think. And then the bottom drawer is these cute bug postcards. I have so many of them. I don't know why I ordered so many, so I'm gonna have those forever. And then over here I have my leftover Halloween kits, and then my I have some like larger, and then some stuff for button making. I have to keep it in here because Maple likes to walk through this and knock everything over. Top drawer, I have all of my pins that are already made. So these are like the Still Emo packs, garlic, random stuff. And then in drawer number 2, I have all of my paper. So this is like for nice prints. And then I have all of my like sticker paper in here. So these are like the transparent sticker sheets. All that stuff just stays in here. And then in here, I just have like some yarn. I used to like pack up orders with that, and then more envelopes because there's just not enough space to put them. I also have like another big stack of envelopes in the corner somewhere. And yeah, I just ordered a ton of them because they were on sale, and now I'm kind of regretting that because I'm like, wow, I'm gonna have these for like several years. Hello. Hi. Moving up to here, I have my printer. And I'll put a link to like what kind of printer it is in the thing. I need to like redecorate this section because I used to have like a flag up here, and then a little cat named Maple knocked it down, and then like I have a poster over here and Maple ripped it, so that's awesome and cool. Yeah, that's just like routers, lamp, boring stuff. And then over here, this was my previous Etsy desk, and now my partner's work from home desk. And in here, I just have like more paper. This was like my main paper organizer, and I just started to have so many different types of paper that I don't even keep it in here anymore. And then I don't work over here anymore, so a little bit out of use right now. But yeah, that is my Etsy workspace and my main workspace. So yeah, that is everything. Could definitely be more organized, but it's organized enough. And this is pretty much just where I sit all the time. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.